Paano naman daw pag hindi mo gets yung binatong tanong sa'yo ng panelist? Ano ang gagawin mo? Oh! Oh, huwag kang mag-panic. Huwag kang kabahan, ganito yung tip ko for you. I got you, been there, done that. Una, huwag kang mag-panic. Kumalma ka lang. Dapat confident ka pa rin. Huwag mong ipapahalata na clueless ka dun sa tinanong niya. And number 2, clarify. Paano ate? Anong sasabihin ko? Una, pwede mong sabihin yung possible interpretation mo. Just to clarify po, are you asking about? Then you say your possible interpretation. Kasi most likely naman, meron ka talagang na-interpret dun sa tanong. Hindi mo lang sure kung yun talaga yung tinatanong niya. So it's best to clarify it after they ask you the question so that you can answer it properly. Tapos kasi pag clarify mo, ikaklaro din nila sa'yo para maintindihan mo yung tanong. Number 2, kung hindi mo gets yung tanong, gamitan mo ng context clues. Kunwari, may terms dun sa tanong nila na related sa study mo. Dun mo marirealize na, so ito atang specific part ng study yung tinatanong nila. So yun yung pwede mong erase for clarification. Are you referring po to the last part of the methodology where we tackled A, B, C? Ganon, you get the point. And honestly, pag ganun kasi yung atake mo, alam nila na klinaklaro mo yung tanong. So they would clarify it again para magkaintindihan kayo. And lastly, number 3, last way to clarify, wala ka talaga naintindihan kasi sobrang complicated nung tanong. Hindi mo na-interpret, wala kang context clues, edi ipa-rephrase mo na yung tanong. Would you mind rephrasing the question po, just to make sure I understand it correctly? Thank you. If I were to pick, okay, wala. If I were to pick dun sa tatlo, ang pinakamaganda pa rin ay yung number 1, yung kakaruhin mo lang yung possible interpretation mo. Kasi doon, you sound confident and proactive na you're still paying attention to the question. And you're making an effort to understand it correctly. Doon din kasi hindi halatang clueless ka. Ayun lang, huwag kayong mahihiyang klaruhin yung tanong, okay lang yun. Huwag kayong matakot mag-clarify, okay lang mag-clarify. Basta wag naman pa ulit-ulit, baka ma-stress na yung panel. Tapos diba, habang klina-clarify pa nila, makakapag-isip ka pa ng possible na sagot. Good luck sa research defense, kaya-kaya yan. Kayo pa ba? Follow for more tips and advice. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video.